At one time or another, we've all experienced losing our marbles. However, dementia is no laughing matter. None of us can help getting older, but we can influence the condition we're in when we arrive at our golden years. For example, we can take certain steps to reduce our risk of developing dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and other mental disabilities. Recent data indicate that a definite link exists between obesity and its comorbidities and age-related impairment of brain function. So how big is the risk? Recent studies at the University of California, San Francisco found that in older women, obesity, high blood pressure, and low levels of good cholesterol, or HDL, were associated with a 23% jump in the risk for cognitive impairment. In another study, doctors found that obese men were also more likely to show signs of cognitive decline. And it's not just the overweight at risk. Underweight individuals at older ages showed similar risks of developing dementia as well. While no one knows whether excess weight and its comorbidities cause dementia, it's a likely bet that being outside of a healthy weight, plus or minus, isn't a good idea. By keeping tabs on your diet, your weight, and your activity level today, you can up your chances of arriving at tomorrow with all your marbles in the bag. So we've discussed a lot of scientific research in regards to obesity and its negative effects on our health. But other than the promise of a future magic bullet, is there any other positive news on the horizon? Actually, there is. Scientists at the Ohio State University Medical Center have discovered a promising new genetic treatment using a gene called BDNF, which produces a protein that can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce fat, and promote weight loss when active in the brain. The treatment uses injected DNA to affect the hypothalamus, the brain center that controls body temperature, hunger, thirst, and other important body functions. In the Ohio State experiments, BDNF genes were injected into the brains of normal mice, diabetic mice, and overweight mice fed with a high-fat diet. The researchers found that at first the gene was active in the fat mice, but as they lost weight, their appetite decreased. There was an increase in metabolic activity, and other body functions controlled by the BDNF protein slowed down, stopping as the mice reached a stable target weight. The research team is currently seeking FDA approval to begin studying the therapy in human beings. If Uncle Sam gives them his okay, the team intends to determine whether a gene injected directly into the brain may become a long-term treatment for obesity in humans. Maybe there is a magic bullet after all. And that wraps it up for today's news. If you're watching us on the Weight Loss Surgery channel, we appreciate your comments in the box here below the video player. Or you can drop us a line anytime at news@wlschannel.com. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you back here next week. Bye-bye.